Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. The Humpback's Cry by Sue Demchina. The mighty creature emerged its head and bobbed there up and down. I marveled at its dark, sleek beauty, but dared not make a sound. It rolled its graceful bulk about, its belly glowing white. The way its tail crashed through the waves was such a wondrous sight. Its magic held me in its grasp. I felt it soaring free. With every move it beckoned, as its body caressed the sea. I hastened down the coastline to get a better glance. I didn't want to miss a moment of this alluring dance. As I climbed the sandy cliff above, I saw a chilling sight. The factories on the other shore blew smoke as black as night. The murky waters from their purge ebbed closer to the bay. I breathed the stench of dying fish, their bodies swept away. The gentle giant held still a while, then glided near the ruin. The darkness of the sky above warned of an evil brewing. Howling winds enclosed us and drew the storm clouds near. The rolling thunder echoed close and filled my heart with fear. The creature gazed into my eyes and led my soul to ache. It let out such a mournful cry as if its heart would break. With one last spray, its pain released, it dove into the depths. I swear 'twas not the wind I heard. I know the creature wept.